What's going on YouTube? I hope everyone is doing great. Ali DIY trucking life, guys. I have my turbo apart and I have an issue in there, so I figured to open it up apart, and I found a lot of soot in there that needs to be cleaned on my turbine shaft, on my compressor turbine, and inside it's got a lot of carbon dioxide, and honestly I cleaned before I take this video, because I didn't think I wasn't thinking to make a video, but I cleaned. Look, still it's a lot of soot right there. I didn't clean so much, but look at my turbine shaft, how bad it is. And I had to cut some spots because it wasn't coming out loose, even if I tried everything, heat, everything. I got a lot of coats in my truck. I will open my acutator right now. Like you see there's two bolts over there, and it's stripped right now. I tried everything to lose them, WD-40, brake, everything. My torch, heat. I'll clean it really good. I would have to drill to take the bolts out. You guys be safe on the road, stay warm. Thanks a lot.